I wanted to replace my windows because basically they didn't shut. The sash cord was broken and there was a permanent 2-inch gap at the top. I chose Sashed after doing a whole lot of research online, and they definitely offer the best deal. When I contacted Sash, they came straight back to me. They came around the next day to give me a quote, and it was a really reasonable quote, so I went with it. The fitters for Sash were incredible. They came in, were quiet, tidy, clean, and they completed it in a day. The results are fabulous. No gap at the top of the windows anymore. It's warm, looks amazing. Sashed were fantastic to deal with as a company. They were very professional, quick, easy to deal with. Great. I would certainly recommend